1.
Download Andrew's Craft Enabler script. Download all the files in the PIXIFIED Tips Food Maker.
Find that in the description.
2.
Open.
Sims 4 Studio.
Selective clone. Object. Show debug items. Type the name of the food you're making. Pick one. Select everything. Press OK. Call it something. Save it in the mods folder.
3.
Meshes. In geom states, export every level that has the food on it. Label them appropriately. Click Shadow. Export all shadow levels that contain food. Label them appropriately.
4.
Open a mesh. Delete the food temporarily. Export the object as an OBJ. Import it into
Maya.
Import or make your food. Export the food you made back into
Blender.
On EA's food mesh, press Tab A. X vertices. Select your mesh. Shift select the mesh that used to have the food and join them. Save your file. Back in
Maya.
Combine your food and the plate. Save it as an OBJ. Export it with shadow in front. Do this for each state.
5.
Open a shadow layer. Import your shadow OBJ. On the EA mesh, Tab A, X, vertices, and join them. Save it. Do this for each state. Re-import all files in Sims 4 Studio on every LOD. Click Warehouse. Select the DST. Import blank bump map. Import blank spec map.
6.
Warehouse. Object definition. Check food name. Tools. Extract tuning. Type name of food. Pick all recipes related to your food name. Add to current package. Recipe tuning. Data. Add your name. Change the food name. Do this to the other recipe tuning as well. Open your PIXIFIED Food Note Keeper. Paste both tuning names here. Paste both tuning IDs too.
7.
In your PIXIFIED Food Note Keeper. At the top, change name. Change food name. Do the same to single. In
Sims 4 Studios.
Tools. Hash generator. Copy single plate's name. Copy the hex 32. Paste it in the keeper. Select decimal. Copy 32. Paste it in the keeper. Paste in your multi-plate name. Repeat. Copy multi-plate hex 32. Object definition. Instance. Paste. Object catalog. Instance. Paste.
8.
Copy your single recipe tuning name. Recipe tuning large. Locate base recipe. Paste name and tuning ID. Copy multi-plate decimal 32. Recipe tuning large. Locate definition. Paste name here. Paste its ID. Copy single plate decimal 32. In recipe tuning single, locate definition. Paste the number and paste the name. Save.
9.
Main menu. Selective clone. Object. Clone slice of the food you copied. Save it in mods. Call it something. Copy single plate hex 32. Object definition. Instance. Paste it. Object catalog. Instance. Paste it. Texture it. Mesh it. Save it.
10.
In PIXIFIED Food Note Keeper, rename all 3. Name. Food name. Name. Food name. Name. Food name. Hash generator all 3. Save the deets. Copy the dash name. In both recipe tunings, locate name. Paste name. Copy its hex 32. Paste after 0x. Copy bake. In both recipe tunings, locate phase interaction. Paste name. Paste hex 32 number. Select your flag. Edit items. Add. Copy the name hex 32. Paste it in the key. Type a friendly food name. Copy the bake hex 32. Add. Paste the bake key. Type a friendly food bake. Copy the serve number. Add. Paste it in key. Type a friendly serve name. Save it.
11.
Batch import. Select the snippet. Save it. Close it. Open it. Select snippet tuning. Copy large recipe tuning ID. Paste it here. Copy multiple plate name. Paste it here. Data. Write your name. Write dish type. Write food name. Copy it. Hash generator. Paste it. Copy hex 32. In snippet tuning, instance. Paste it. Save it. Now test it. Whew, that wasn't so hard now, was it? Is there something in The Sims you want to know how to do? Leave a comment down below.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.